Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I need to wet my face. It's been a couple days since I've had a shave, and I need a shave. Had a little spot right here somewhere. Can't see it without my glasses or eyes on. But anyway, had a little spot and bothered me, and I thought I'd give it a little break. Couldn't tell if it was a hair or what. But anyway, I think it subsided, so I couldn't take it. It's Saturday, 7 p.m. and I gotta shave. I can't wait until tomorrow. So today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is Aqua DG, and this is the CK1 version. And if you love this, you will enjoy this. And I couldn't remember when the last time I used this, but I know it was a time when I had stuck a candle in there. I think that was an anniversary shave. So I have the Matching Splash. I'll be using some star jelly for the post-shave routine. I already have it whipped up in my HCNC stainless steel bowl. Man, this stuff smells great. I'll put a little scent description right there for your viewing pleasure. And I'm using this beautiful classic black Trotter's Handcraft brush. Take a little look at the lather. Probably could be a little bit wetter, but oh well. This is gonna do what I need it to do. That high density or super high density knot, the T1 knot in that brush, I just really enjoy the way it performs and feels on the face. And if you splay it, it takes up a lot of real estate, so it covers your face very quickly. Yet it's soft gel tip, but yet has plenty of backbone. All right, now, so the star of the show, I guess I will say, is this Valet Autostrop or Valet Autostrop. This one is the VC1, and if I remember right, I don't remember right, so let me look at my notes. 1922 to 1929-ish. And this is the I could go into, I really need to do a whole nother video on it, but this is a modified gem blade. And then you just put it in there, pull this little tab on the back down, and it will, that blade will slide into these little comb notches on the end. And that's how you know it's ready to go. And I'm ready for a shave. I know this razor is really overlooked, I think, and you can get these. I think I spent like 12 bucks on this. $12 to $15 is what they typically go for. And I don't know why they are so overlooked. I don't know if it's because of the steampunk gears on the side and all the mechanisms, or maybe people are leery of modifying a blade. You can get feather blades that will fit in there, but they're only good for 1 to 3 shaves, depending on your beard. Or your hair type. And for most people, that would be an acceptable 1 pass would do you. It's really not that aggressive. It just gives a nice close shave. And it looks really cool. I don't know that I would tell a brand new someone just getting into wet shaving, go get one of these. I mean, it would work really well, but I think they might be a little overwhelmed with some of the stuff that goes along with it. So I had seen Fuzzy Shaves use this the other day in a video, and I had seen Stubble Meets Steel use his. And so I was a little inspired to break mine out and use it. And I've really been meaning to do a video. I've got a couple of these, and I kind of wanted to do like a little history and all about the razor type thing. Or even just, you know, about the two different ones, because if you are interested in getting one, there's a couple of models to kind of look out for. It makes it a little bit easier with what you've got to do to modify it, unless you want to pay the money and you don't mind getting just a few shaves out of the feather. Feather blades. I'm just gonna kind of shave around that, not irritate it. I don't know if it was a spider bite or a shirt that I wore, or I don't know. But anyway, you know how it is when you get a little problem on your face or neck, especially the neck area, because it's always bending and twisting and you know, it's easy to get it irritated, I think. Once it's already irritated, it's hard to stop it. So I did see this morning that this particular soap is being re-released today, which would be yesterday for you guys watching. And I remember whenever, my lips are dry. Whenever I had first discovered this, I wanted that soap so bad, and it wasn't out for release, and it took a little while. And now I think it's a summer release every year, but I was tempted to buy another set just in case it disappears for a while. Anyway, that's kind of what I've got going on in my brain. Anything new with you guys? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like I didn't get this side real well, but I think it was just the comb. There we go. User error. Might not have got the angle just quite right. For me, these vintage razors are just, they're so fun to use. To think back then, they had it figured out. Even though there was still some advancements and, you know, all that kind of stuff. They had it well enough that you could purchase this, shave with it. I mean, it's been over close to 100 years already. You know, if this one was 1924, which it could be in between there, 22 to 29. But to think, if you were to buy this, you could have this razor and shave with it for life and still give it to someone else, and they would still be able to use it. Danger zone. Okay, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. The old Lancaster black sheep towel may have a competitor on the block, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. Oh, yes. Nice. I need some more of that. That wasn't enough. That little plastic restrictor. Still haven't got quite accustomed to it. Some of my older PAA has the glass restrictor, and I really enjoy that. Nice. All right, I want to put a picture on this side today of everything I used in the shave, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.